challenge yourself to achieve the health and fitness results you've always wanted with the superior performance of the Pro 2000 treadmill from ProForm. The Pro 2000 is iFit enabled. Use the vibrant 7-inch smart high-definition touchscreen and gain access to iFit's extensive library of exercises, all designed by certified personal trainers. Just pick your coach or destination and enjoy your workout as your treadmill automatically adjusts the speed and incline to match your chosen route. The world is at your fingertips. Driven by a dynamic 3.5 continuous horsepower motor, delivering the power required to achieve all your fitness goals. Adjust the speed all the way up to 12 miles per hour and easily adjust the decline and incline between -3% to 15%, all with the push of a button. The innovative ProShocks cushioning system is designed to help you stay comfortable during longer workouts. And with the spacious 22 by 60-inch deck, run confidently with your natural full strides. And stay cool and fresh with the Cool Air workout fan. Plug your devices into the audio port or connect them via Bluetooth, and enjoy your music delivered through a pair of powerful 3-inch Bluetooth speakers. Keep track of your heartbeat with the in-handle EKG grips. This sturdy frame is designed to accommodate up to 300 pounds. At ProForm, we stand behind our products. The treadmill comes with a lifetime frame and motor warranty, 5 years for parts, and a 2-year warranty for labor. Experience the professional design and state-of-the-art technology millions of satisfied customers have come to rely upon. Experience the Pro 2000 treadmill from ProForm.
Introducing Soul's new F63 treadmill. The F63's solid steel frame comes equipped with Soul's Cushion Flex Whisper Deck, which reduces impact to your joints by up to 40% and can allow for a user weight capacity of up to 325 pounds. Soul's high-end rollers lead to a longer lifespan on its motors, letting you increase your speeds and inclines with ease. The F63's vibrant 6.5-inch screen conveniently displays real-time data to keep you informed and motivated. With online workouts also becoming a trend, streaming videos during your workout can sometimes be necessary. That's why the F63 is equipped with Bluetooth audio speakers, an integrated tablet holder, and a USB charging port to bring some of those extra little comforts to your workout. You can also feel comfortable in knowing your Soul machine is supported with an unbeatable warranty. It includes 3 years on parts, 1 year in home labor, and lifetime on the frame. It's time to bring the gym home to you. Get the F63 treadmill today and let Soul move you.
Number 3, welcome to Matrix Performance Plus Treadmill. If you're looking for a reliable and high-quality home exercise machine, then look no further. This treadmill is designed with a wide range of features that make it perfect for all fitness levels, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned athlete. The Matrix Performance Plus Treadmill has something for everyone. The Matrix Performance Plus Treadmill offers a powerful 3.0 HP motor, which is perfectly capable of accommodating a variety of speeds and inclines. It also has an impressive 22 inches by 60 running surface that provides ample support during all your workouts. For added convenience, the machine also includes 10 preset programs, 3 customizable user profiles, and a wireless Bluetooth connection. This allows you to track your progress and goals in real time. Additionally, the Matrix Performance Plus Treadmill also offers an impressive array of safety features. This includes an emergency stop button, an adjustable safety belt, and an extra-wide side rail guard. All of these features are designed to ensure that you remain safe while you exercise. To top it all off, the Matrix Performance Plus Treadmill is also equipped with a comprehensive warranty. Discover the Matrix Performance Plus Treadmill today. With its superior construction and advanced features, it's sure to help you reach your fitness goals.
Experience the exhilarating workouts and the amazing results you can only get with the world's best-selling in-home fitness brand with the City T7 treadmill from ProForm. And enjoy access to iFit's extensive library of video workouts on the treadmill's high-definition touchscreen. Choose from some of the world's best-known fitness trainers as they live control your machine's speed and incline to match your program of choice. Follow along the pristine beaches of Thailand or the bustling streets of New York, and your trainer will ensure that you make the most out of every workout. Driven by the innovative self-cooling Mach-Z motor for smooth and consistent performance for the entirety of your workout. Adjust the speed all the way up to 10 miles per hour, and just as easily adjust the incline up to 10%, all with the push of a button. Keeping you comfortable, especially on longer workouts, is very important to us. That's why this machine comes with our ProShocks cushioning system. We designed this treadmill to fit in tighter spaces, but we made sure the deck is anything but tight. So run in confidence as you take long, natural strides on the roomy 16 by 50-inch tread belt. Plug your devices into the audio port and enjoy your own tunes delivered through the dual 2-inch speakers. Keep track of your heart rate with the in-handle EKG grips. And once your workout is complete, simply move the treadmill out of the way. The sturdy frame is designed to accommodate up to 300 pounds. At ProForm, we stand behind our products. Don't delay. Get the performance you need to achieve your fitness goals today with the City T7 treadmill from ProForm.
Get professional-grade workouts in your home with the newly redesigned commercial series from NordicTrack. With iFit, you'll have access to some of the world's best-known trainers as they guide your workout from stunning locations in all 7 continents. The highly responsive, high-definition touchscreen is designed to make exercising a truly immersive experience. All you have to do is choose your workout program and start running. Your trainer will take charge.
We're going to take the incline up just a little bit.
Automatically adjusting your treadmill's incline, decline, and speed to match the features of the landscape and intensity of the workout. From the beautiful beaches of Thailand to the bustling streets of New York City. With iFit, you can do more than just run. The all-new tilt and pivoting screen will open your world to yoga, guided strength training, to give you total body fitness. The commercial series is built to last, with an industry-leading warranty. Our most advanced sound system means clearer audio.
That sound of crunching snow.
For an even more immersive workout.
You just hear the sounds of India here.
Experience a new way to run on NordicTrack.